Welcome to our plantain frittata video. I already said this was coming. I've cut everything ahead of time because the whole thing is going to happen start really fast. We have plantain, lettuce, onion and garlic, pepper, tomatoes, green bell pepper and some carrots. We're going to start by getting our eggs. I'm going to whisk my egg down and add some salt to taste. Whisk everything together. I'm going to get my pan on fire, have some little oil in there. I'm going to fry the plantain first. Once it's done to your satisfaction, take it out of the pot and set it aside. I'm going to put the pan back on fire and let's fry every other thing. I'm going to start with my onion and garlic, then I'll add my pepper and stir it a little bit. I'm going to add some curry, an all-purpose seasoning, add some carrots, the tomatoes, the bell pepper, stir everything together. Try not to overcook. Once satisfied with the texture, remove it from the pot and set it aside. I'm going to fry my chicken now, which you could have done in the beginning. Forgot to mention all about the chicken. I'm going to stir fry my chicken, and once your chicken is well cooked, you want to add back the vegetable and stir everything to cook together. Add the plantain at some point and stir everything. I want to use this opportunity to say, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please help us by subscribing, dropping your likes, your comments, and do share this video. If you do try this at home, drop in some comments. Now I'm going to add my egg. I'm not going to stir it, I'm just going to pour everything in like that and let it go around basically. And immediately I'm done with that, I'm going to cover it for some minutes for it to at least solidify a little bit. And before it's entirely solidified, I'm going to add in my vegetable, which is my lettuce, and I added some spring onions also. Now at some point, once the texture is all strong from the top, I'm going to put a plate over it and flip it over. And of course I'm going to put it back in the pot for the other side to cook. Now food is ready. I'm going to flip it over one more time and drop this in the plate. Our frittata is ready. I did this with the plantain, and I think this meal is completely experimental. You can try everything. I'm going to do another video with potato, and that's coming soon. And just watch out. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget, please subscribe and hit the bell icon just so that you know when I post a new video. I'd like to use this opportunity to remind you, if you haven't subscribed, please do. It's the only way the channel could grow, and of course we will know that you are all enjoying all these nice dishes we are bringing to you. Make sure you also drop in your comments, hit the bell icon just so that you know when a video hits. Thank you.